Title: Reducing Stigma Around Mental Health During Pregnancy. Hey there, Mental Health Matters First family. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important but often overlooked: reducing stigma around mental health during pregnancy. Pregnancy can be a beautiful and transformative time in a person's life, but it can also come with its own set of challenges, including mental health struggles. Let's explore why it's crucial to break the stigma and support expecting parents through their mental health journey. 1. Understanding the stigma. Stigma is a negative stereotype or judgment associated with a particular condition or situation. In the context of mental health during pregnancy, it's when people make assumptions or hold unfair beliefs about pregnant individuals who experience mental health issues. 2. Why is reducing stigma important? Reducing stigma is essential because it can deter pregnant individuals from seeking help and support for their mental health. This can lead to serious consequences for both the parent and the baby. Let's look at some reasons. A. Better health outcomes. When people feel comfortable seeking help, they can receive timely support and treatment, leading to improved mental and physical health outcomes. B. Healthy parent-child bond. Reducing stigma ensures that parents can maintain a strong emotional connection with their child, promoting a nurturing environment. C. Encourage open communication. Reducing stigma fosters open conversations about mental health, making it easier for pregnant individuals to share their experiences with friends, family, and healthcare providers. 3. Common stigmas and misconceptions. Let's address some common stigmas and misconceptions related to mental health during pregnancy. A. Pregnant people should always be happy. This belief ignores the fact that pregnancy can bring a range of emotions, including anxiety and depression. B. Mental health problems during pregnancy are a sign of weakness. Mental health issues are not a sign of weakness but rather a part of the human experience. C. You can't take medication while pregnant. This myth can prevent pregnant individuals from receiving necessary treatments under professional guidance. Sarah struggled with anxiety during her pregnancy but found solace in a support group for expectant mothers with similar experiences. B. James's journey. James, a soon-to-be dad, felt overwhelmed with the impending responsibility. He sought therapy and learned effective coping strategies to support his partner and himself. 5. How we can reduce stigma. Now, let's discuss actionable ways we can reduce stigma around mental health during pregnancy. A. Education. Educate yourself and others about the realities of mental health during pregnancy. Knowledge is a powerful tool against stigma. B. Open conversations. Encourage open and non-judgmental conversations about mental health in your community, family, and social circles. C. Supportive resources. Share information about local support groups, therapists, and helplines that can assist those in need. D. Language matters. Be mindful of the language you use when discussing mental health. Avoid stigmatizing terms and emphasize empathy and understanding. Reducing stigma around mental health during pregnancy is a collective effort. By understanding the importance of this issue, dispelling common myths, sharing personal stories, and taking actionable steps, we can create a more supportive and empathetic world for expecting parents. Let's remember that mental health matters, especially during pregnancy, and we can all make a difference by being compassionate and informed allies. Thank you for joining us today on Mental Health Matters First. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help spread awareness about reducing stigma around mental health during pregnancy. Together, we can make a positive change.